Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Pumpkin seed milk, beyond its delightfully sweet and creamy flavor, offers numerous health benefits. The shelled seeds are rich in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals including potassium, magnesium, vitamin B2, and beneficial polyunsaturated fatty acids. The variety of nutrients found in pumpkin seed milk makes it a nutritious addition to your diet. Pumpkin seeds are not only delicious, but they can offer a multitude of health benefits to your body, from enhancing heart health and promoting digestive well-being to even improving your sleep. Pumpkin seeds have a positive impact on various aspects of your health. Just ensure that all the wholesome goodness from the pumpkin seeds is infused into the milk. Here are some compelling reasons why drinking pumpkin seed milk can contribute to your overall health and well-being. Before we get into this video on pumpkin seed milk benefits, be sure to check out the link in the description to discover the top 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar. Be sure to check out that link so you can learn all the secrets of apple cider vinegar and all the ways that you can use it. Now, let's get straight into the video. Maintains the health of your heart. It contains high amounts of magnesium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining the heart's well-being. Magnesium has over 300 vital functions in the human body, one of which is regulating relaxation and contraction of muscles. It helps signal the heart's muscle fibers to draw blood into the heart, and it works in tandem with calcium to ensure proper heart function. It's essential to have a balanced amount of magnesium in your diet, since a lack of this mineral can lead to buildup of calcium that can harm heart health. The recommended daily intake of magnesium for men is 400 to 420 milligrams, and for women, it's 310 to 320 milligrams. Pumpkin seed milk is a powerhouse of health-promoting nutrients such as magnesium, zinc, antioxidants, and fatty acids. All of these have the potential to help maintain a healthy heart. Studies have shown that excessive growth of nitric oxide generation in the body can be caused by ingesting pumpkin-related foods. May help with inflammation. The goodness of pumpkin seed milk is renowned for its ability to soothe inflammation, and its high concentration of antioxidants makes it an ideal health booster. Antioxidants are a compound that help prevent oxidation, a chemical reaction that produces free radicals and initiates chain reactions in the body. These free radicals can harm cells and tissues. Vitamin C, found in pumpkin seeds, is a potent antioxidant known for boosting the body's immune system as well as reducing inflammation. Research has shown that incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet can significantly increase the blood antioxidants levels by up to 30%. What sets pumpkin seed milk apart is that its antioxidants don't seem to have any adverse effects. One study on rats with arthritis showed that consumption of pumpkin seed oil led to a reduction in inflammation without any side effects, unlike the rats treated with anti-inflammatory drugs who experienced side effects. Thus, if you're looking to manage inflammation, pumpkin seed milk might be a natural and safe option to consider. Boosts your immunity. Pumpkin seed milk contains a high concentration of vitamin E and antioxidants, which can support and enhance the performance of your immune system. Vitamin E is abundant in white blood cells and is crucial for boosting the immune system's functions. Combining it with vitamin C can further improve its performance. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in regulating the function of T cells, which are a vital part of the immune system. It helps maintain T cell membrane integrity, signal transduction, and cell division. Adequate levels of vitamin E in your body can lower the risk of respiratory diseases and allergies like asthma. However, it is important to note that too much vitamin E can have adverse effect, as it is a fat-soluble vitamin that can be stored in the body. Excessive consumption may lead to toxicity and symptoms that can cause bleeding, weakening of the muscles, exhaustion, sickness, and looseness of the bowels. Helps fight diabetes. Pumpkin seeds are a treasure trove of dietary fiber, with 100 grams containing an impressive 6.5 grams of fiber. This high fiber content makes them an ideal food for individuals who are looking to regulate their blood sugar levels and reduce their risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down absorption of sugar by the digestive system, thereby helping to maintain balanced blood sugar levels. By incorporating the recommended amount of fiber in your diet, you can lower your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. In addition to fiber, pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants that can benefit those with diabetes. These seeds contain carotenoids with vitamin E, 2 potent antioxidants that provide numerous health benefits. When it comes to diabetes, antioxidants can play a crucial role in reducing the risk of reactive oxygen species forming in the body. ROS is a major contributor to the development of type 2 diabetes. By limiting the formation of ROS, the antioxidants present in pumpkin seeds can help curb diabetes and promote better health outcomes. Keeps your bones healthy. Earlier, we highlighted the multitude of benefits of magnesium, including its crucial role in heart health. Another vital aspect of magnesium plays a crucial role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Studies have shown that consuming diets high in magnesium can lead to higher bone density, which refers to the amount of mineral in your bone tissue. Higher bone density means a reduced risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Women, especially postmenopausal women, are at an increased risk of developing osteoporosis. To combat this, it is recommended that they consume foods or dietary supplements rich in magnesium. This could help improve their bone mineral density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Maintains healthy skin and eyes. The pumpkin seed is a powerhouse of nutrients, including the antioxidant known as squalene. Squalene has numerous benefits that can impact various aspects of your health. Firstly, it has the potential to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and protect premature aging. Additionally, research on animals suggests that squalene plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy retinas. It's worth mentioning that squalene is similar to beta-carotene, which has been shown in some studies to slow down cognitive decline. Improves your sleep. Before we get into how pumpkin seed milk can improve your sleep, be sure to check out the link in the description to discover the top 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar. Be sure to check out that link so you can learn all the secrets of apple cider vinegar and all the ways that you can use it. Now, let's get into improving your sleep quality. If you have trouble sleeping, pumpkin seed milk might be able to help. The amino acid tryptophan, found naturally in pumpkin seeds, has been shown to promote sleep. Although you would need to eat about 200 grams of pumpkin seeds to reach the recommended amount of tryptophan, consuming seed-based tryptophan along with carbohydrates can be just as effective as a clinical dose. In addition to tryptophan, pumpkin seed milk also contains 2 minerals that can improve sleep: zinc and magnesium. Zinc helps convert tryptophan to serotonin and then to melatonin, which regulates your sleep cycles. Magnesium also has been linked to better sleep. So why not drink some pumpkin seed milk before bedtime and see if you enjoy its health benefits? In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.